Canva is a user-friendly design platform perfect for creating personalized journals. With Canva's AI-powered tools, designing your journal is easier than ever. To start, sign up for a free Canva account at canva.com. Then, search for journal or planner templates. Select a template that suits your needs, such as a custom journal or bullet journal layout. These templates are your starting point, saving you design time. Canva's Magic Studio allows AI to generate custom layouts, reducing design time by up to 70%. Canva's interface allows you to quickly create a journal that reflects your personal style. Once you've selected a template, use Canva's drag-and-drop editor to personalize your journal. Add text, images, and grids from Canva's extensive library to make it your own. Use AI prompts like "add a gratitude section" to generate content automatically. Duplicate pages to create multiple entries and modify them as needed. Ensure your layout is professional using grids and alignment tools. Finally, download your journal as a PDF for printing or PNG for digital use. If printing, Canva Print offers binding services. Remember to check your work before finalizing and enjoy your personalized journal.